All right, so I removed, there was one more bolt on this side right here, so that is removed. So as you can see, I kind of pushed it this way. I have the jack holding it, so there is the spot where I'm gonna leak the transmission fluid out. Now what I'm gonna do is just put this, open it, and then put that right here so it doesn't mess up the place. You see I have a whole bunch of cloth on the floor, and then all the transmission bolts have already been loosened. So all at once everything finish drains out, all I gotta do is just to shift it. I might still have to move the starter, because if you look at it, the starter is like basically a piece of it, or is like the top portion of it has to come off because it's on top of the transmission. So that's probably the only last thing I have to do, and then that is it. So what I'm gonna do now is put y'all on the tripod and then start draining the fluid. So now we have the fluid leaking out and going into this bucket right here. All right, I just removed the bolts from this for the starter. So I'm gonna kind of have it like maybe hanging over here. So this is everything that I think I should have or need to start the process of separating it. Just see if I could get some of this stuff out the way. Finally, I have the engine and transmission removed. Alright, So I have the jack holding the transmission. Still not 100% sturdy, but now, as y'all can see, the engine is moving a whole bunch. So what I'll probably do is lean it to the side, and that should hold it for a while I disconnect the whole full thing. So yeah, so torque converter is gonna have a whole bunch of oil in it. So, but yeah, finally got everything out. You know, that's about it. Alright, so I have the pallet here bracing the engine. So all I'm just gonna do now is either try to push it this way or what. But it shouldn't be, it's heavy, but I wouldn't say as heavy, I suppose. So I guess with all them clothes in the way, now I can slowly move all of this stuff out of the way. Whoa, whoa. Probably. All right. Alright, so it is the next day. Hey, so you already know we already took the transmission off. We have it on the floor. And now he said he wants the torque converter and all that stuff as well. So I'm gonna take those stuff off too, and then put it in the trunk, and then just get ready and we're gonna hit the road. But that's pretty much how you need to remove the transmission from off the engine on a 2020 Ford Escape. This is the 1.5, or is it 3-cylinder? So it's pretty simple. But you could do it easier if you had a jack stand, or not jack stand, a cherry picker for some people, or an engine hoist, where it's kind of easier to like have everything, so you wouldn't have to do so much bending like how I'm doing on this hydraulic table, or you know. So but that's pretty much it. But anyways, thank y'all for watching. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe.